The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Morning, fellas. James, Chris, Mimi, I sent you an email. Will you check your emails, please? Good morning, by the way. Brian, Chad, Randy, Sue, Ray, guys, good morning. Good morning. Hubba Hubba, Kirk, good morning. All right, fellas. Tony, good morning. We are coming into a session with quite a bit of selling overnight. Currently, the Dow futures are down 437. Mimi, will you check that, please? S&P is down 62. Is that correct? And NASDAQ is down 134. Good morning, Jim. Okay. VIX futures, guys, are up 10.5%. VIX cash is up 33%. This could be a volatile session. Very volatile. VIX is picking up, significantly. Let me get that on. Let me get this on. That on. If you folks are here, Ray, good morning. If you folks are here for the week on trial, good morning and welcome. The week will be Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. There is no room Thursday, which is Christmas Eve. There is no room on Friday. And we're getting an 8 o'clock dump here. Roland, good morning. Gold. I like long gold off 80.5 if it comes down there. A lot of sellers in gold, though. 82. Oh, no, that's crude. My apologies. Gold has about 1,500 net sellers. Crude has 8,200 net sellers. Crude looks like a short to me. NASDAQ, 3,400 sellers. ES, 17,000 net sellers overnight. Big selling. Let me take a look at, I want to see volume on the NASDAQ. Yeah, we've traded 151,000 contracts, guys. Big volume. We came in one day last week, we had 40,000 contracts traded. Big volume. Sellers in nat gas. Sellers in copper. We have dollar strength right now. I said this last week, that stimulus was less than they had hoped for. This is a short, looks like a short to me on crude. Let me very quickly, I have my gold on. I also have bonds and copper on as far as bots go. Good morning, Patrick. Guys, let me quickly read the disclaimer. Bear with me 1 second. Hang on, guys. Guys, you can hear me okay, right? I didn't think anybody could get into the UK. I didn't think they were allowing flights in. U.S. government required disclaimer: futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them. In order to invest in the futures and options markets, do not trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Remember as well, past performance is not indicative of future results, fellas. Let's see here. I need that. We are good to go. And I've got a short on what looks like, gosh darn it, gold. Hang on, guys. But it's set for one contract with no ATM. So bear with me 1 second. I'm going to add two.
Order filled.
Put those at first target. All right, guys. Here's what we got. So we got two bot shorts. Crude is coming down. I don't care what it does in the interim. It's coming down. It's all sellers. I think we should get that 95. And we got a shot at 65. Let's see what else we got going on here. Crude's hanging on to some small 5-minute support rate at 18. It's got to break 18, then it should dump. Gold, all sellers. Come on, crude. There it goes. Gold just hit first target on the bot, fellas. crude is trying to hang on to some small support on a 5-minute chart. If gold breaks below 75.8, it comes 72.3. Gold below 75.8 comes 72.3. Come on, crude. You got them now. It's going to want to hold 07, give or take, which is at 34 moving average, but I don't think it holds for long.
Target filled.
All right, there's target filled on gold. First target is off. I've got one going. Below 75.8, it comes 72.3. It held 75.8 to the tick. NASDAQ right here, 53.54 with a stop just below 40. I do have a NASDAQ target at 83. Anybody long NASDAQ? Good morning, Mark. Okay, Dijan. Okay, guys. You got 5 points in it. Okay, Frank. Our 61, 62. 63, 64. It's 10 handle trade, guys. 65. This dang crude. Held 11. I mean, there's nothing there. Got 68 on NASDAQ. Morning, Magnus. Guys, if you're joining us late, I just gave a NASDAQ long at 54. First target 82. I also suggested a crude short at 38. The bot is short at 19. I do not think that gold can go very far. You got 70 on the NASDAQ from 54. First, I mean, you guys traded at this point as you see fit. There's 71, but I think 82 is a good first target from 54. 82. Chicago Fed National Activity Index. I mean, we're now at 8,800 sellers. I don't know why this thing isn't just throwing up. Russell's rolling over. ES is pulling back. Careful with this NASDAQ. God, it's crude. 9,000 sellers. 9,000. There's 70. Come on, NASDAQ. Let's go get 82. I think you guys are good. $75. Do I hear 75? 76? There's 77. Come on, 82. No, Ken, it's not low volume. It's actually very high today. We're done with the split month stuff, though, which is good. Crude is confounding me. We are over 9,000 net sellers. If we get down below that 08, it just dumps. $9,100 sellers. It won't dump. And our short started at least on the bot at 85. We've added 500 net sellers, and they won't break it. It's all selling. NASDAQ's pulling back a bit. Guys may want to reduce some risk. It's a long from 54. You got good money in it. Got to 77. Nice, Caleb. Nice job. There goes crude. Hit first target on the bot. Let's say, how the hell can they hold this thing up? Over 10,000 net sellers on crude. We hit first target, identified by the bot at 95. I moved out to 88 or 90, 5 ticks lower. Jeez. Come on, crude. Russia favoring a 500,000 barrel hike starting in February, according to OPEC. $500,000 barrel hike, and we spike. Somebody explain that to me. Back up. Here goes NASDAQ. You're going to get your 82 for those of you that were patient. I don't know what that means, Chris. What's a faux scalper from order flows? I don't know what that means. Mike, you got first target, guys. 82. 82. Anybody still holding NASDAQ? Final target 623. 623. Final target 623. Final target 623. Anybody still holding NASDAQ? That's from 54, fellas, to 82. Almost 30 handles. 28 handles. Okay, Jim. 28 points, fellas. It's almost a $600 per contract trade. Next target, 98. And then 23, 623. Nobody else holding NASDAQ? One guy? I don't know who Mike is, Chris. Who is Mike? Guys, can you hear me? I don't know what is order flows? Okay. What is order flows? Okay, guys, thank you. All right, never mind. Can't be that important. No, I don't believe he is, Chad. I honestly don't know what he's talking about. I mean, I think that Nasdaq wants to go higher. Crude is doing absolutely nothing. I do, Paul. I mean, look at the buyers. We had big buyers in that one candle, and now next to nothing. But gold is going to VWAP. Bonds are trying to come down. Yeah, it's just a. Well, the student ath. I've said this for many years, and you guys have heard me say it. Notre Dame is, and some of these other schools, Army, Air Force, and Stanford, etc. They epitomize student athlete. Clemson's a state school. It's no, Alabama. 80% of that team don't have the grades to get into Notre Dame, even if they wanted to. You know, higher education schools are at a huge disadvantage. You don't agree with that, Don? Well, it may be funny, but it happens to be true. There are schools that just can't compete. Notre Dame cannot beat Alabama. They just can't. Guys, we're pretty dang slow here. I don't know what to tell you. Typical of this last half hour. Crude is building. What I don't like about crude here is this wedge. We break up through there. This could go back long. I don't know why it would. It is all sell pressure. And Russia wants to increase output by 500,000 barrels a day. I'm not sure why this would want to be long. But it is turning. Bonds are trying to come down. NASDAQ's just pulling back. Small selling pressure. I don't think it's coming very far. I mean, crude looks like it wants to go long. It's trying to flip into a long. And if crude gets above 40, it's going to flip into a long.
Stop, Phil.
Okay, out on crude. Yeah, close crude. It's coming back down. Crude has some support right here. Needs to get back down below 25. Opens up here at 8 minutes. Here's bonds. Guys, at 9 o'clock, I'll take my breakfast break again, or as I do every day. Once again, it's a short week for us, guys. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday only.
Order filled.
All right, now crude is Notre Dame might join the ACC permanently, Tony? I didn't read that. Oh, they are, except for football. Okay.
You're listening to Trace the News.
Anybody still holding NASDAQ? Still think we get 98 and 23. Dollar's starting to bounce a bit. Crude's trying to flip into a long.
Which is ahead of the top of the 9 o'clock hour. We'll see the open of the trading on the 9 next to there. Futures are down 739. The electron closed 625. We're about a buck or so off. The equity markets continue to point to a 2% or so lower open. Down 1.5% now. The S&P minis pulling on to the recouping of the losses in the market session with about 30 minutes to go. European equity markets remain down off the order of 3.5%.
Europe's down 3.5%. We're good morning, Stefano. We're down about 2%. Gold looks like it wants VWAP. I mean, I don't know what the hell crude is doing up here. 10,000 sellers. Seriously. It's, I would think this thing flips. But I don't know why we're here. We should fail at VWAP, right? All right, guys. I'm going to take a breakfast break. Yeah, it's what it looks like to me. I'm going to take my breakfast break. I will be back in about 15, 20 minutes. The Treasury did experience a hack of their unclassified systems. Bonds came to both targets. So we're out of bonds. It's a great little chart, guys, if you trade bonds. ZB got both targets. Anybody have any questions before we go? There is not that I'm aware of a mini on bonds. Not that I'm aware of. Crude is rolling over. I'm in gold. As it should. Just below VWAP. Let's see what we got. Gold's a short. It's going to find some support about 83, just below. A break of that, we could come 78, 75, 71. Looks like gold is going to. Let me get some bots on here, guys. We got about 8 minutes. Russell's already in a long, so I've turned that on. Gold on the 15-minute isn't going to give us a trade unless it goes long. Boy, CL just doesn't know what it wants to do, does it? Comes down below my 88 target and is bouncing again. Gold is rolling over on the 3 minute. It's a short, fellas. On the bot, this is going to go into a short. It's only 1,200 sellers. It's not a ton. You're still long NASDAQ? Yeah, support's now 77, but we're coming into the open, so we could blow that. I still think we get 98 and 623. Crude seriously is schizophrenic. Maybe above 20. Yeah. This gold's going to short on this candle close. Anybody have any questions, guys? Jennifer, I do not. Are you a trial? I don't know the last name. I also have somebody in the room who just joined, Cindy Tracchiola. Who are you and how did you get in the room? Jennifer, you as well. I don't know. I don't know your name or Cindy Tracchiola.
Order filled.
So we're short on gold. 98 and then 23. We get above 98.50, we're going to 23. $98 hit. 98 hit. This is from 54 entry, fellas. 54. Next target on NASDAQ, 623. 623. 623 on NASDAQ. Come on, NASDAQ. It wasn't an order flow trade, Dejan. It was a bot trade. On gold. There's 22, 23 target hit on NASDAQ from 54. from 54. Next target up, 640 if you're holding. We're going to hit VWAP first at 31. But those are my targets. 23 was my last target.
Stop filled.
Gold is trying to turn up on the 15-minute.
Order filled.
All right. Gold was flipped into a long on the 3-minute. We've now flipped into a long. Here comes NASDAQ above VWAP. Next target up is 640. If anybody's still holding NASDAQ from 54 long. 54 long. Okay, Stefano. Guys, it's a monster. Nice job, Kirk. Very nice. Okay, Brian. Nice. Guys, anybody that's holding, I mean, I give you guys targets. You guys trade them as you see fit. Nice job, Renato. Nice job. Order flow, guys. We get a 5-minute close here. Where do we go? Here comes my 640. If we can get above 41, 41.50, NASDAQ goes 657. Above 57, we could go 702. Absolutely, Terry. Yep. Everybody thought we'd be long, we'd be shorts, right? Straight up shorts. I gave a long in the NASDAQ at 54. How many of you guys didn't take it because you were scared? I know nobody's going to tell me, but NASDAQ's failing about VWAP. We would expect that. Guys, if you're, listen, if you're anxious or nervous about taking a trade, take it with one stinking micro. What could you possibly lose on a micro? I'm not telling you guys to trade or not trade, but what could you possibly lose on a micro? $100? I mean, that would be $1,000 loss on a big contract. If gold can get above 91.1, we can trade 94.5. 91.1, we can trade 94.5. Ninja crashed on you? Yeah, good old Ninja. Good old Ninja. I mean, there's a ton of volume today. Gold has to get above 91.1. It's at resistance here. If it gets through 91.1, it could go 96. Another one with a Ninja issue. Here comes that 40 target. There's 40. Boom. We hit 40. ES is off to the races. Guys, NASDAQ is now going to trade to 57, 56. Got another one, Ninja crash. Gotta love Ninja. Got to love Ninja. All targets hit on the 3-minute bot for those of you guys that are trading Dean's hours. Well, rhythmic, shouldn't be an issue, right? Let me get rid of this, guys. I don't want to watch this bot. I'll leave the trade on. I mean, there shouldn't be an issue with rhythmic. There goes NASDAQ. For those of you guys that are, anxious about taking trades, one of the, again, if you're, and that's, part of the problem with following anybody is you guys don't know what the heck you're doing or why you're taking a trade, right? Unless you've been in the room for a long while. But the best thing you can do for yourself is learn to trade order flow. Then you'll understand why you're taking the trades. Next level up, 56, 57 on NASDAQ. Above that, we could go 702. NASDAQ's going to have resistance at 56. It's going to have to get through that 57. Crude hanging out at VWAP. Need to really expand this range to the top side. Yeah, gold 85.5 would have been an area for a bounce, but gold is longs, guys. Gold is longs. If it gets above 91.1, it's going to pop up to 94 to 96. NASDAQ, I would need, a fairly decent pullback here. Maybe back to 23. NASDAQ's just sitting now, fellas. The 15-minute will go long at 9:45 on ES. Unorenco's, the small and the bigger Unorenco, are both in longs. Guys, that ES trade was good for almost 100 handles. 100.
Order build. Target build.
Man, we got a long on the Unirenko on the Russell. NQ could come back 85. That would be your long. Should get a bounce out of 86, 85, 86, 87. I don't know if it does or does not come there.
Order build.
Small Unirenko took a short on the ES. That's the small Unirenko. Looks like Russell's going to roll over.
Stop fill.
Out on the Russell. ES is sitting on VWAP.
Latest numbers we purchased a total of 15.7 purchase program last week compared to 18.7 million the previous week.
Here's the ES sitting on VWAP. No buyers in the NASDAQ right now. Hey, James, where you been? No buyers in the NASDAQ. Did you get that 54 long on the NASDAQ? Were you here for that? Oh, okay. Google confirms it notifies children if parents are
Target build.
first target on the ES, if parents are monitoring their accounts. First target hit on the ES. Come on, ES. Give me that 5 handles. We're into an area where the NASDAQ could bounce. I'm not watching it on order flow, but no, not holding.
Target filled.
Come on, ES.
Target filled.
Second target filled on the ES, 5 points, 5 handles. And ES could come down to somewhere between 49, 50, and 53 area. Block sellers here. 100 contracts. NASDAQ breaks 66.5, it comes 56. On
Order filled. Stock filled.
out on the NASDAQ, or I mean on the ES, small Uniranko out. At what price, Ray? I don't see one. NASDAQ is long up to 23. NASDAQ
Order filled.
NASDAQ is long. Whoop. Up to 23. That's what it looks like. 36.45. I can look in a minute. Come on, NASDAQ. What are you going to do?
Stock filled.
These candles are ginormous. Really sucks when the pre-market is better than the cash session. NASDAQ's trying to go long, guys. I mean, it's trying like holy heck here. The stop is bigger. Right now, the stop is 64. It's 20 handles. I have a target at 623, 621, 622. It just won't go any. We're sitting here sideways. You have mixed buyers and sellers in this candle. No buyers on the top.
Order filled.
And the Russell's going to try it again. Here's Russell. Come on, NASDAQ. God, what an annoyance. Russell's trying. Hit first target, didn't fill. Hit it.
Target filled.
First target filled on. There goes NASDAQ, fellas. If you're long NASDAQ, you're good. Anybody take NASDAQ long? Anybody long NASDAQ? Okay. 620 to 623 is your target.
Target filled.
Trade them obviously as you see fit, but 620 to 623. This is another beast of a trade. Second target hit on Russell. This is another beast. Come on, NASDAQ. Let's go. You got him on the run now. Second target filled Russell
Order filled.
on the bot. Order filled where?
Target filled.
All right, guys, hang on. It's the small Unorenco went long. Small Unorenco went long. Come on, NASDAQ. Remember what I taught you, Brian? We don't care about daily delta once we're in a trade. I don't care about daily delta. Right? All we care about is the delta once we're in the trade. I don't care what's happened. I only care about what's happening. You know, they bought 600 contracts in the last 6 minutes. Right. Oh, okay. Bar delta. Okay, you're good. You're good. Come on. One more pop. One more pop above that 09, we get our target.
Order filled.
This stupid ass little Unorenco on the ES, pardon my French. Range is getting small on the ES. 2 3/4 is the first target. That's it.
Stop filled.
Out on the Russell. NASDAQ, I still like longs. We're losing some buyers, but not many. Come on, we got to 09. Got to 8.5.
Stop filled.
Come on, ES. Get it. Oh, 1 or 2 ticks. If ES breaks below 55.50, it comes 51, it looks like.
Target filled.
There's first target on the ES, small Unorenco. NASDAQ still hasn't come to stop, guys. Stop hasn't changed. Depending on where you got in, if you want to take it out at break even, it's your prerogative. But the stop would still be 64. I can't move it. There's nowhere to go with it.
Target filled.
Second target hit on the ES on the small Unirenko.
Please click on your trade link tab and activate global FX.
It did, George. It did. And flipped it right into a short.
That's for
Target filled.
Third target hit on the bot on the Unirenko on the ES. Guys, so far the bots are not doing a whole heck of a lot. Right now the bots are down 600 bucks. 600 bucks. Yeah, ZB was a monster. ZB got all three targets. Don't email me, George. If you're going to send me anything, you have to send me a picture and show me. So you have to take a screenshot and show me where. Because just to send me an email, I can't diagnose it. So far, choppy, fellas. Choppy. Again, the bots are down at the moment, 600. Mine are, anyways. You guys may have different results.
Order filled.
NASDAQ on bottom of the 80s. The Russell 2000 down at 1%. Dollar index is higher. You need to see a modest move.
Still think we're going longs. We never came to that 64. We've got small buyers and sellers in this candle, but NASDAQ's a long, guys. NASDAQ's a long.
Target filled.
Target filled on what? Oh. Here, guys, we got a long on the Unirenko on the NASDAQ. NASDAQ Unirenko is long.
Stop filled.
Now it's out now. Never mind. It came back and took the trailing stop. I couldn't move it fast enough. Small negative delta. Gold has to get above 91.1. I'm trying to find a place to get in on gold. I don't really have anything. You can take a gold long
Order. Target filled.
at 87.
Target filled.
All right, hang on, guys. The Unirenko short again on the NASDAQ. And could not adjust fast enough. It took the first two at 10 ticks. I don't know why this is not trailing.
Target filled.
Oh, couldn't move it fast enough. 18 handles. All right, fellas. Bots have gone green. They're up $25. Guess it's the Unirenko show today. ES sold off further. Let me get rid of this. Let's see where we're at, guys. Nowhere. NASDAQ could come down below 43. We come 40, 41, 520, 522. Let's see if we can get a bounce down there. Now, if we bounce back up here, we're going to look for a long. Not yet. Yep, 87. We haven't gotten there yet. Yeah, I guess we did. $84. Let them sell. We'll get them on the bot. Let them sell. 22 is next on NASDAQ. We should bounce there. I have no trade here, right? I don't have a trade yet, right? Got 4,500 net sellers in the NASDAQ. 900 in this candle. 900. We could come 12,500, fellas, before we bounce. Below 22, we could come 485. Below 22, we come 485. My NQ is at 513. Guys, am I lagging? Yeah, I am on my. No, I'm at. Who knows with Ninja? Am I lagging? Somebody tell me. I don't think so. I'm showing 15, 16. Jesus Christmas. Everywhere across the board on this price. 504. Pelosi speaking. What are they saying? No deal? I mean, what's she saying? I'm not hearing it on my squawk. Nothing. I'm listening. I'd love to see 485 tagged. If 485, 486 gets tagged, my NASDAQ DOM is frozen. I'm locked at 514. Nice job, Kirk. Time to take a nap. Is that live or sim? Live? I got a member that's up 6,500 live on the bots, fellas. Freaking NASDAQ, man. Seriously. They're going to force me to trade the ES. I'm going to take an ES long. You'll see it on the screen.
Order filled. Order filled.
NASDAQ just went long on the bot. NASDAQ's long on, he started at 6 a.m. NASDAQ's long on the bot. Come on, ES. Get up to 42. First target is 42.
Order filled.
Now NASDAQ is, my chart is everything is goofy on, there we go, on the NASDAQ. There we go. NASDAQ is doing nothing. Are you shooting me? This thing came one tick shy of my target. No, 3. Come on, rat bastard. Let's go.
Order filled.
Missed by ticks. Missed by ticks. Couple ticks here at 42. If you guys are in it and you want to take money, take money. Some states prioritize blacks, Hispanics over whites for COVID-19 vaccines. Tennessee governor limits gatherings as COVID-19 continues. That's your news. Anybody long ES? 38 quarter, 38? Yeah, of course it is. Okay. Anybody else long ES?
Order filled.
What just filled and where? This son of a gun just won't pop. If we pop this area here at 4150, we go 43, 46. There it is. Oh my goodness. Are you kidding me? One tick. One tick. My NASDAQ's not even moving. 25. Yeah, 25. NASDAQ's long to 43. There you go, guys. Out of first target, 42. Next target up, 46.
Order submitted.
Next target up, 46. This is from 34. ES has some work to do. It's really got to get above 44 quarter. Above 44 quarter, we're gold. Is she done speaking? Anybody know? Is Pelosi done?
Order filled.
Killed it. Killed it. Still speaking on C-SPAN. Okay. I don't know, Terry. What alerts are you getting on Ninja? I don't know.
Order filled.
All right. Russell shorted. All right. It appears My NASDAQ is working again.
Target filled.
First target on Russell. First target on Russell.
Target filled.
Second target on Russell. Bonds are turning up. Yeah, and I don't think she's going to get that 1.2 trillion. I thought they already agreed to 900 billion. Did they not? I thought that was agreed upon. Let NASDAQ come down. 86 looks like the entry. Although we could dump to 63. I don't think so. All right, guys, let me see what we got going on here. I like NASDAQ again long. ES again long. We get one more candle here, and I'm really going to like it. No more. Okay. NASDAQ's parked. Gold is parked. I would be reluctant to be short gold. McConnell said deal reached on $900 billion relief bill. The market could sell off on that, though. It's smaller than they wanted. NASDAQ's trying to hold this area. If I can get one more candle and hold this bottom, all right, you can take an ES long again. ES is going long again. NASDAQ's longs, guys, to 43. My freaking DOM is frozen again. Golly, with this NASDAQ. There we go. Yeah, that new virus strain out on Russell. That new virus strain was reported in Australia for the first time weeks ago. There goes your ES, if anybody took ES. I just had a data connection loss and come back on. Guys, give me 1 minute. All right, guys, I'm back. 5,800 net sellers in the NASDAQ. Let them sell it. Everybody is having problems, Tommy, today. I mean, at least a dozen people have said they're having issues with Ninja. At least. I mean, I had lagging data. $27.50. $27.50. I mean, we're just flat. Crude's now flat. Gold's now flat. It's the indices that are banging around. NASDAQ is an interesting long here. $5,800 sellers, just under 58. It's getting a small bounce in here. I need another candle. You're welcome, Chad. Hey, guys, if you guys are having Ninja issues and you're losing data or you've got lagging data, don't trade. Don't trade. Now, one of my guys just said he can't. He's getting lagging data, no data. Do not risk money. Trade and sim. I have no doubt that this is a Ninja issue. This has nothing to do. You're lagging on your fast machine. You're okay on your slow machine. So funny. I mean, it's just really odd. Another member, 10 points off on a data lag. There goes gold. Finally, gold is finally reaching for the for dealing with Ninja platform support. And I'll tell you what they'll tell you. Third-party indicators. That's all they'll ever say. That's all Ninja platform support knows. It's never their platform. It's never, ever, ever been Ninja's platform. Gold is finally starting to bid. If gold breaks, we get through that 91.1 up here, especially, this is going to go long. Really long. I'm waiting for ES to turn back up or come lower. Same thing with NASDAQ. If NASDAQ can get above 99, it's going to go. We could go all the way to 43. We get back above the whole number. All right, this is where I like NASDAQ long
Order filled.
here. With the first target maybe to 20, as high as 22.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
ES gets above 38, it's gone. Anybody long? 99? This maybe need to adjust a little bit. Okay. Maybe take it down to 19.5. I'm measuring against 5-minute candles. If you guys want to take money, you can take money at any time. We got to 17.25. Now we should trade back up into here. If you guys want to take money, take money. The follow through is pathetic. We can get through 11 again and get another 15, 30. There we go. We got another 30 range candle. There we go. We get one more 30 range candle on this. It's going to go get that 24 target. One more candle. One more candle. We go 99 to 24. 99 to 24. You dog. Don't you dare stop there. 18. Come on. Seriously? If you guys want to take money, feel free. Take money. We got buyers in here the last 6 minutes. I'm watching it on a 3-minute. You guys want money, take money. I'm surprised we got 230 range candles. We went 60 ticks and did not get to this 24. Then if we come through 24,
Order filled.
Russell just shorted on the bot. What a dog. Seriously, what a dog. Doesn't go to target. Come on, NASDAQ. Lower highs, small sellers in here now, 15, 16, 17 sellers. God, I hate when they don't go to target. Seriously hate it when they don't go to target. Russell's going bid back up to VWAP. Going to be out on Russell.
Stop filled.
On what? Going to be out on that Russell. Come on, NASDAQ. You can drop this down slightly if you're still holding. Maybe to 22, unless you guys want to take money. We do have small buyers in here, but real stop on this trade, fellas, is 79. What the hell are we pushing? Come on, rat bag. God, this is annoying. Got to get back up through 7 and 11. Now there's nothing here. One tag. at 7.25. All right, we're through 7.25. Kind of. We'll get up through 11.5. It's come on, another 30 range. Let's go. Take your money, fellas, if you want. This is just an annoying NASDAQ. You got 60 buyers in here, 70. Now we got buyers. Again, take money if you want it. It just will not break up. We got close. We're falling a little bit here.
Order filled.
On what? Russell again. Russell again. It's back-to-back shorts. Failed. Back-to-back shorts failed
Stop filled.
on the Russell. It looks like they want to bid, guys, but
Target filled. Target filled.
gold is going above 91.1. Gold is gone. Jesus. Come on. Guys, it just won't go. It gets close and it won't pop. Got 35, 39, 40 sellers in here. My Dom's frozen again. We have small buyers. If you guys want money, take money. I mean, it's a winning trade. It will not break up. Will not break. They don't want to sell them. They don't want to buy them. I don't know why we're just trading literally sideways. Literally sideways, straight sideways. U.S. Army scientists to determine if new UK strain of coronavirus is vaccine resistant. Now McConnell speaking. All right, so that explains why we're just trading. Good old Mitch. Joe Biden's buddy. Oh, absolutely, Rick. 100%. Guys, if ES can break above 36.25, I'll like it a lot. Again, I've said it 10 times. You guys have money in the trade. If you guys want to take ticks, you guys can take ticks. Do not let the trade, again, I gave you the stop. We just will not bust up. It gives small money. You know, it gave a great trade into here from 98 to 18 or so, up to here, 16, whatever it is, 17.75, and now it won't break anywhere. I don't know what McConnell is saying. They're not saying anything on Squawk.
Order filled.
There we go. Come on, NASCrack, let's go. Guys, I can get you some. I just cannot get targets. If you guys want to take risk off, take risk off. It's your prerogative. This thing is just, it should go to 17 halves now. 18 area, then 43, then 623.
Target filled.
I mean, this thing is stopping at every small damned area of little resistance. I mean, it's just ridiculous. Good Lord. Seriously. Gold sideways. Crude's the only thing that has a decent bid here. And this is going to come into a stop out. Right there. That's your out. That's your out. That's your out, guys. My Dom's frozen solid. We're trying to get there, fellas. I think we will. Suffice to say, it's still a big trade, guys. 35 handles, 40 handles. This trade cannot go against you. Meaning there's no reason anybody should not make money here. 41.50 is my next target. Come on, dog. Anybody in the NASDAQ? Anybody in the NASDAQ? Okay, where are you guys in from? Look at this stinker. We got to get above 21, guys. Next push above 21. 69. Nice. Nice trade, Grant. You're in really early. Nice. Okay. Come on, stink face. Get above 21, and I think we're good. 7.5. Okay, guys. Johan, 80. Okay. You guys want to take money? Again, it's your prerogative. But there is no way. That's okay. 505, still a nice trade. It's got to get above 21 here, guys. It's 6 sellers, nothing on a 3-minute. Okay, Gary. Sellers back in. Where might we come? I really would not want to see this below 02. This stacked imbalance here. If NASDAQ gets above 525, 524, 24 half, we could go to 650. We could go 650. It's got to get above 24. Come on, NASDAQ. 40 seconds next candle. They're buying them back up. They're buying them back. Look at your delta in the candle. Come on, jerkwad. Get back above 21 and we go. Trying. Down to 80 net sellers, 81, 82. YM is in fuego. Bar. There's no reason why the federal government should seize voting machines used in the election. No? Okay. I guess 8,000 affidavits from people that have claimed fraud is no evidence whatsoever. Is there anybody here in this room that would like to be accused by 8,000 people of wrongdoing? I wouldn't. Well, he's resigned. I mean, he's done Wednesday. I mean, seriously. If anybody here were to profess their innocence with 8,000 people that claimed you did something wrong, I guarantee you, you would not like those odds in a court of law. And yet nobody is willing to at least look at any evidence. Oh, of course. Absolutely, Ray. Guys, we're just whacking around above this area in here. I think we go, but, you know, here's what I got. Again, with these trend lines. Got to get above 21. Maybe once we get rid of Europe, I don't know. I'm going to get small buyers in here. We're trying. All right, we're through that. We're through the trend line. Come on. We're not going anywhere on 6 net buyers, fellas. 4 net buyers. There we go. Come on. Pump up the jam, boys. Pump up the jam. Take that 21 and we go. Come on. Ooh, you got him now. Here it goes. Booyah. We're on top of that line. Let's go. Come on. 41.50, then 621. That's what I'm looking for, guys. I mean, we got them. Seriously, the NASDAQ has it. Here's what I'm looking at right here on a naked chart. This is a 15-minute NQ. There's a new candle. There's your naked chart. There it goes. Oh, come on. You got him. You got him. Down to 4,700 net sellers. We were over 6,000. They bought back 12, 13, 1,400 contracts, fellas. Guys, as always, at this point, trade as you see fit. We've got 15 minutes left in the European session, and anything can happen here. And we came through this little resistance again. We pulled back into it. If you guys want money, take your money. It's a big trade. 80 to 25, 45 handles. At this point, everyone trade as they see fit for their accounts. Is it helping you guys to watch this on the screen with order flow? Okay. Guys, my bots are done. They are all off. Some of you guys out traded me 10 to 1. Well, either that or chart trader, Patrick. One of the two. I think it's easier to see on chart trader, but whatever. Come on, NASDAQ. We got 30 sellers in here, guys. Europe's gone in about 12 and a half minutes. And then I'd like to see a migration right up to VWAP. Jesus, 85. I mean, that's where we should go eventually, right? Yeah, I missed a gold long, but you've got a gold long. Got small sellers in here. Next candle has to be 48 seconds. There we go. Come on. Here we go. Oh my God. We get right there and don't break out.
For 10 minutes, the forces have worked up the lows of the day. The FTSE 100 down 1.5%. DAX is down about 2.75% after being down the CAC 1%. The euro down 35 pips.
Less than 10. All right, Rick. Thank you, brother. Less than 10 minutes. There we go. Another higher high. Here we go. There's 28, guys. Come on, go get me that 4150. 4150. Anybody still holding NASDAQ patiently? Okay, fellas. Again, trade them as you see fit. Right? It's a big trade. I still think we get 4150 and higher. There's 30. There's 30. There's 30, 32, 33. From 480, fellas. 480. Now they're going to punish the shorts. They are going to punish shorts like nobody's business. They are going to punish them. Some resistance about 38, 39. Come on, 4150. Let's go. 37. We got 37. Do I hear 38? Come on, 4150, 4150, 41, 4150. Going once. Going twice. Come on. One more 30 range candle and this thing is done. There is 30 range candle. Go, you rat bastard. Oh my God, I missed by a tick. I got 40, 50. I missed by 4. Okay, I don't feel so bad. I don't feel so bad. I missed by 4. Target filled. 41.50. Boom, 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 boom. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. Next target. Let's call it 79. Be right back, guys. Do I think it hits 567, Joe? Yeah, buddy. My next target, guys, is 79. Guys, from 80, you have 60 handles in this bad girl. This is a bad trade, fellas. She bad. Anybody have any questions, guys? Anybody have any questions? We're working through this inventory, this red area in here. I mean, we got a lot of sell pressure from earlier today. We get below, 4,000. We're at 4,200 net sellers, just under. I'd like to see another 200 or 300. We're out of Europe in a few minutes. We may get a small pullback in here. Trade them as you see fit at this point. I've hit 2 targets, right? First and second target. My next target is 79 quarter. And my final target, I'm going to give it to you. Let me do this.
Order submitted.
Final target, we're going to make this easy. 620. Although we can get all the way up to, we could go 656. I don't think we can get up to that, all the way up there. Guys, if you traded it similar, you've made a duck load of money. a duck load. Is there anybody that's still holding NASDAQ? Okay. Guys, I don't care if you traded it with 2 micros. Seriously, if you traded this with 2 micros. Nice job, Ray. Nice job, Brian. Okay, Brian. Let me just quickly, guys, go through.
Or a little more than a minute now, Nash equity close in Europe. Euro stocks down 6%, FTSE 100 down 1.6%.
Thank you, Renato. Come on, we got to break up through 47.48, get another 30 range candle on this NASDAQ. Come on, pump this. Come on, let's get above 47 quarter. New 15-minute candle, guys, in 20 seconds, 15 seconds. In Europe is Gonzola. All right, guys. Come on, pump it up here. Pump up the jam, take out that swing. Boom. Bye. Bye. Say goodbye to Europe and bye to the NASDAQ. Let's go VWAP. Anybody watch the movie Elf? I mean, it's only probably the greatest Christmas movie ever, right? Nobody's seen the Elf? Yeah, my favorite line of all time is in that. Bye, NASDAQ. Hope you find VWAP. It's going to VWAP, guys. Right. The question is, who hasn't seen the Elf? I've watched that movie so many times that I swear I know every word. It's like, oh, brother, where art thou? I can recite the entire movie. Guys, you realize if we get to that 79, it's only 100 handle trade, right? I mean, what's 100 handles amongst friends? Name one other room that would do this in full view. Name one other room. Who? We have 70 handles in this thing. Nice job, Ray. I'm going to get that too. I'm going to get that. Uh-oh. We're getting close. Yeah, there you go, Chris. Guys, I don't care if you traded this with 1 danged micro. It's a monster. It's a monster. Got to 60. Nice job, Joe. Nice job. See you tomorrow. See you, Joe. Took 65 handles on one contract. You're welcome, Joe. Nice job. Nice job. Guys, I'm staying a bit, a couple minutes longer today. I'd like to see us get that second target. You had one of your, what'd you do, James? What'd you do? How much? You're very welcome, man. Did you get your all-time high, though? Nice job. Guys, I'm going to get this, and then I'm going to get 621 today. That's my final target, 621. Thank you, Ray. I'm going to get it. Nice job, Chris. You're very welcome. Come on, NASDAQ. Let's go. We're down below 4,000, fellas, from over 6. Look at that Ratbag ES at 52. Remember I said there's no reason this shouldn't be at 54? I think we got there. Come on, NASDAQ. We got 10 minutes to another 15 range. We could go all the way to 636. I have 621. Guys, if they bid this down below 3,000, this thing is off to the races. Off to the races. If you guys want a very conservative stop, you can move your stop to 42. It's a really conservative stop, though, fellas. Come on, NASDAQ. Let's go. Get above 64 again. Give me another 30 range candle. I'm going to stick around, guys, till the next 15-minute candle, and then I'm done for the day. I'd love to see the next 15-minute candle open above 60. I mean, we still have 8 minutes. If we open above 60 on the next 15-minute, this thing is going to be banned on the run. There's another 30 range. 65 with buyers. We're working through this inventory. Maybe Order Flow Advantage will teach me how to trade order flow. What do you think? I should reach out to them, guys. They keep sending me emails. You're welcome, Paul. How'd you do? I'm not leaving until I get that 79. Uh-oh. Guys, do I have anybody that did not make money today? Seriously. Nice job, Paul. Is there anybody that didn't make money today? Seriously? Uh-oh. 74. Uh-oh. Guys, if we get uh-oh. Yeehaw! 75 half. Come on, give me 79. Don't be a chump. Here comes VWAPski. I don't know how that happens, but boy, oh boy. That thing loves VWAP. You're welcome, Dirk. Come on, guys. If we're not having fun, you're not having fun. Come on, 76. There's 76. Give me 79, 79. Come on. Oh, 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 we're within ticks. Oh, no. Uh-oh. Booyah! 100 handles. 100. One left to go, fellas. What do you say, guys? How about a golf clap? How about a golf clap? You're welcome, Tony. Anybody hold a 79? Okay. Nice. Anybody holding to 621? Now we have a negative delta. We probably will get a small failure just below VWAP, right? We may get a small failure here. My order flow guys should know this. But once we climb through, point of control, 85. See you tomorrow, Ray. Guys, did anybody not make money today? Do I have anybody that did not make money today? Everybody made money, right? Trials, everybody. We've only got a few trials in. I have one trial that cannot for the life of him figure out how to get in. Is there anybody did not make money today? Everybody's good, right? Nice job, Kirk. Come on, got to get through VWAP. Point of control. I'm 40 handles from home. Uh-oh. Come on, pop VWAP. It's done. I get a candle close through VWAP. It's over. We may get a small failure here, but God, we got buyers, guys. If we go below 3,000, this thing is done. Anybody still holding? Anybody still holding? Okay, Tony, one guy. Anybody else? Okay, a whole bunch of you. Executed to perfection. We stopped at VWAP. Got to get a close above 85. I'm going to wait another 3.5 minutes, guys. Then I get another 15-minute candle. It's a tough trade to be long again here. I still think we'll get that target today, 21. Nice job, Ray. By the way, fellas, here's my bot total. Up 552.50. 552.50 on the bots. Order flow killed it. I mean, I out traded that 20 to 1. Nice, Jennifer. Bots were up 6,000. Order flow 300 in micros. Beautiful. That's a great day with micros, right? $300. Great day, guys. We're below 3,000. We're below 31. Just above again, but we went below. 2 minutes, we get another 15-minute candle. Guys, it's a monster. This is an utter monster. Over 100 handle trade, guys. And we had a 100 handle trade this morning. We could fail in this area, right? Negative delta. Fail around VWAP. But it's just a pullback. New York has just above 9,000 new coronavirus cases. Tennessee is the fastest growing state per capita. Tennessee is the fastest growing state per capita with coronavirus. I don't know if it was New York State or New York City, Tom. "25 seconds, next candle. If we get above 95, 595, we're going straight to that target. That's our next hurdle. It's 15-minute. Yeah, Cuomo's the hero. Him and de Blasio. I'd like to meet the utter morons that voted those guys in. Seriously. Here we go. Here we go. We're below 3,000, guys. Below 3,000. All right, fellas, I'm going to end it for the day. We're done for the day. Anybody have any questions? Great day, guys. I will see y'all tomorrow. Be blessed.